Philips number 10, model DL171 10. Now moving to 11th portion. 11th Philips again. We will see the model number. Model number Tropicaloid is written there. 11th. Here it is written 789. We will be seeing where is 789 written. Okay. Here it is the model number 789. Okay, 11th confirm. Moving to the 12th. 12th again is Philips. It is Bahadur model. So Philips Bahadur is mentioned. Philips Bahadur is mentioned here. Confirm. 13 is Vijay radio. You can see the frequency chart. This is again a Philips model Vijay. 13 is Vijay. Confirmed. 14 again is Philips radio. And it is Filata radio. So Filata is confirmed in the list. 14. Moving to the 15th one. 15th one is again a Philips radio, as you can see here. 15th one. Passat is a Passat model. Okay. Passat is here written in the list. So we have done 15 radio. Now turning the papers of this list. We are starting from 16th number. 16 again is Philips, and the model number is Prince Deluxe again. It is written here. The same you can see like 16 is Prince. 15 DL. 17 one we can see it is a Tiger named 222 radio. Philips Tiger 222, as you can see in 17th number. 17 confirmed. 18th one, search for 18. This is 22. 18 we will see here. Come. This one is 18. 18 one is again Philips. You focus it here. Philips 18th. And the model name we will see. Model name, as we can see, it is RL205. RL205 18th. 18th is Philips Surkiran RL205 confirmed. 19th one again Philips radio. As I can see, this one is Philips radio. Philips radio, the model number I have to see its back. I can't find any model number yet. Let me see. This is again this is a Tropicalized radio 19. I will see how. Yeah. We can see it is a Tropicalized radio. So this one is also confirmed. 19th. 20th again a Philips radio. It is a Filatina radio. 20th is Philips radio Filatina. So 20th Filatina confirmed. 20th. Now we will move on to 21. 21 should be there. Where it is? Now it is 17, 22, 24. Search for 21. Where is the 21? Yeah, 21 we have found. Keep the try to keep this like this only. This 21. 21 is Philips Tiger model radio. So Philips Tiger DL129. We are confirming it here. 22th is Jawan DL264. We will see whether 22, 21, 22. Where it is 22? 22 is Jawan. Yeah. 22 Philips frequency chart, and this is Jawan. Okay. 22 we have confirmed. Jawan DL. 23 we will move on to 23. Where is it? 23 where? 21, 25, 23 is here. 20 AL 333 Philips radio Filata. AL23. Okay, Philips 23. AL333. AL23. Philips. This should be AL333. Okay. 24. This should be 333. It is a printing mistake, like 333 they have made. Yeah. 24. 24 is again a Philips radio, and model number is 167. Okay, Philips 24 167 confirm. 25 should be AL2660. 26th radio is 26th. Come here, I have got the 26 236 filigrane radio. Confirming it from list at 26 we have Philips filigrane radio. 27, moving to 27 number. Where is 27? Search for 27 number. No, 27 is there. Come. 27 show that this is a Philips company radio and Commander model. Commander 27 15 AL31000R. Let us search the proper model number. RD14921. Philips 31700R. This is the proper model number type. So 27 is also confirmed. Moving on to 28th number. Search for 28th. 28th number is there. This one again is a Philips medium wave radio, medium wave short wave 2-band radio, and the model number is 283. 28 RDO number we will see at back. 28300R 15AL. So this one is also confirmed. 28 number, RD number 306522. Come again. RD number 28. Yeah. RD number here we have got 306522. 306522. 28 is also confirmed. 29, we will be moving on to 29. As we are clearly saying, this is a Philips radio and DL336 is the model number. 29 is also confirmed. Moving on to the 30th one. 30th one is also a Philips radio, Filatina. We will see the model number. The model should be different. So this is it. 38 REG 154256. 154256. Where it is written? 154256. Yeah, this one is the number written here, 154256. 38 also confirmed. Moving on to 31. Philips. This is Philips Javan radio. We will see the model number. Check DL232. DL232 Javan. This is Javan, Philips Javan radio. And where is the model number? DL232 model number. Memory is exhausted. I can't find any model number here. Philips Javan 31. 31 it is mentioned. No model number found.
Let me see.
Wait. Wait. No, no model number has been found. So
Maybe it is inside.
Because no Jawan radio has been found till yet. We are keeping it in different category. Yeah, we will see if we find any more Jawan radio, then we will cancel this one. Right now we are making it confirm. This is the Jawan first radio. Okay. Jawan Philips Jawan 31. Now moving on to 32 number. 32 is there. This is Philips Prince Deluxe second. Philips Prince Deluxe second radio. Prince Deluxe second Philips confirm. Okay. Pause the video. We will move to another box now. Box number 1 done. Box number 1 done. Box number 2 done. These are the radios. These are the radios of box number 2. And now we will be moving on to box number 3 and counting radios from number 33 to 44. Okay, we have to. This was the rack 1, and we are now initiating with box number 3. The radios of which have been kept here. These are lying here. So starting from number 33. 33 is a Philips radio, and that is a Flatina radio, Philips Flatina second radio. Okay, Philips Platina second confirm. This is number 34, and this is Philips radio, and this is Filata radio. Filata is written here. Okay, Philips Filata radio confirm number 34. Number 35 again Philips radio. This is Commander 356 radio. 35 Commander 356 confirm. 36 is again a Philips radio. 36 is again a Philips radio, and this is all transistor radio. All transistor confirmed here. 36. 37, moving to 37. 37 is Philips radio, and this is 38801B. Let us see where it is written. So this is the 38801B written here. This is 37 number confirmed. Now moving on to 38. 38 again of radio. It is a Philips radio 38, and it is CA36 model should be there. Where it is CA36. So this is CA36 model. 36 confirmed. No, this was 38 confirmed. This one CA36 model. Moving on to 39. 39 is Pioneer Deluxe. Focus here, Pioneer Deluxe. Confirming it here, 39 Pioneer Deluxe. Now we will start from 40. So this is 40th radio Philips. Confirming the model 15RC. 15RC we can see like this is written here 15RC 298. So 40th is also confirmed. 15RC 295. 41 is Philips. 41 is Philips Valiant. 41 Philips Valiant confirm. Again 42 is Philips radio. This is 336 Philly guard. 42 confirmed. 366 Philly guard. Moving to 43 number. 43 number is Philips 362 radio. Philips Commander 362 confirmed. 43. 44th is skipper. Okay, 44th is skipper. Philips skipper. The model name is skipper itself. 44 skipper confirmed. 45th is this one. Is this? Yeah. 45th is 144551. Where is the 45th number? This is RL118, no? 45th Trishul. 45th pose mark.
Hello.
This box was for up to 44 only. Don't bring that banner. This box was for up to 44 only, and 45 starts from this. 45 to 56 radios we will be counting, and first we will keep those radios at that place, because otherwise it will create all a whole mess if we are going to put every radio here. So we will shutting down the video.